Stop wasting money on mulch that just rots away. Living ground covers do everything mulch does, but they also bloom, feed bees, and get better every year. Instead of a yearly chore, these plants are a one-time investment that pays you back forever. We've selected 7 perfect species for any spot, from sunny slopes to shady paths, to fix your bare ground for good. Watch on to find the right plant to replace your mulch once and for all.
Number 1. Creeping Phlox Emerald Blue. Creeping Phlox is the ground cover for slopes and banks in full sun, the one plant that covers difficult, sun-baked terrain completely, holds it through drought and winter, and delivers a spring flower display so vivid it stops traffic. Emerald blue spreads by lateral stems that root as they go, forming a tight evergreen mat that stays 2 to 3 inches tall year-round. In spring, lavender blue flowers cover the mat so completely the foliage disappears entirely beneath the bloom. After flowering, the mat closes back in and holds the ground cleanly through summer, fall, and winter without any help from you. Plant it in full sun with good drainage, spaced about 18 inches apart. By the second spring, the coverage is typically complete. Once established, it requires no maintenance, no replanting, and no replacement, unlike the mulch it's replacing. Sun-baked slopes that frustrated you for years are solved by this plant, permanently. Number 2. Ajuga Black Scallop. Ajuga is the ground cover for shade. For the dry, shaded strips under trees, the narrow north-facing foundation beds, the spots where mulch washes away and nothing else thrives. Black Scallop is the selection that makes the solution look like a design decision. The foliage is deep, glossy, near black with scalloped edges. It spreads by runners that root where they touch the ground, filling shaded areas steadily and densely, suppressing weeds completely once established. In spring, short blue-violet flower spikes appear above the dark leaves and attract pollinators for several weeks. After bloom, the foliage takes over and holds through the rest of the season. Plant in part to full shade, spaced 12 inches apart. May planting is ideal. Runners establish most quickly in cool, moist conditions. A single flat covers a substantial shaded area by fall. The glossy, near-black coverage looks intentional in a way that a bed of dark mulch simply never does. Number 3. Sedum Angelina. Sedum is the ground cover for the hardest conditions: full sun, dry soil, gravel areas, slopes that drain fast, the baked southern exposure strips along driveways and foundations where almost nothing else survives. Angelina delivers coverage in those conditions while also being one of the most visually striking ground covers available. The needle-like foliage is a vivid golden chartreuse in summer that transitions to warm copper and orange in fall, making it attractive through multiple seasons rather than just the growing period. It spreads by surface rooting. Stems extend outward and root wherever they contact the ground. And once established, it's essentially self-maintaining in lean, dry conditions. Plant in full sun with any well-drained soil. Water it in, then largely leave it alone. By the second season, gaps will be closing, and by year 3, the coverage is typically complete and self-sustaining. For the spots in a garden where mulch washes away or blows away and nothing holds, Angelina holds. Number 4. Creeping Thyme Elfin. Creeping thyme is the ground cover for paths, for the gaps between stepping stones, for the edges of sunny beds where foot traffic is part of the reality. Elfin is the most compact selection, staying under 2 inches, and the most tolerant of being walked on. It forms a dense, fragrant mat that releases a herby aromatic scent when stepped on or brushed, adding a sensory dimension to a garden path that mulch obviously can't provide. In early summer, the mat disappears under a flush of tiny pink lavender flowers that attract bees in impressive numbers per the scale of the plant. After bloom, the mat closes back in and holds through the rest of the season. Plant in full sun with good drainage. Between stepping stones, along sunny path edges, at the front of a dry border, anywhere that gets regular light traffic that would compress and scatter mulch, creeping thyme not only survives the traffic, but directs and softens it. The fragrance released by footsteps turns a garden path from a practical feature into an experience.
Number 5. Wild ginger. Wild ginger, Asarum canadense, is the native ground cover for deeply shaded areas under established trees. The spots where the soil is root competitive and dry and the light is minimal. It is also one of the most underused plants in American residential gardens and one of the most effective solutions for the problems it addresses. The large, heart-shaped matte green leaves form a dense, uniform carpet that looks more considered than almost any other shade ground cover. It spreads by rhizome at a measured pace, gradually colonizing shaded areas without becoming invasive. The tiny brown flowers that appear in spring are hidden beneath the leaves. Worth a close look, but not the reason to plant it. Plant it in spring when the soil under trees is still cool and moist. The rhizome network establishes most efficiently in these conditions. By the third season, a shaded area that has frustrated you for years will be covered in a native carpet that looks like it was always supposed to be there. Permanent, ecological, and genuinely beautiful. No mulch required. Number 6. Liriope Big Blue. Liriope is what landscape professionals plant when they need a ground cover that works in full sun, part shade, and deep shade, handles drought, handles competition from tree roots, and stays attractive every month of the year. Big Blue is the standard-setting variety. It spreads by underground rhizomes, expanding its coverage invisibly season by season. The dark green, strap-like foliage stays clean and attractive without any intervention through the entire growing season and beyond. Liriope is semi-evergreen in many climates, meaning it holds some foliage through winter. In late summer, violet-blue flower spikes appear above the foliage as an unexpected bonus, followed by dark berries that persist into winter. Plant it anywhere. Sun, shade, slopes, edges, the strips under trees, the borders along paths and driveways. Space plants about a foot apart and let the rhizome network do the rest. Few ground covers offer this combination of adaptability, year-round presence, and zero maintenance once established. It replaces not just the mulch, but the annual labor of replacing it. Number 7. Sweet Woodruff. Sweet woodruff is the shade ground cover that most gardeners have never considered, and the one that arguably does the best job of replacing mulch specifically in woodland-style or deeply shaded garden settings. It spreads by rhizomes to form low, dense mats of whorled light green foliage in shade conditions that challenge other ground covers. In spring, clusters of tiny white flowers cover the plant in a delicate, airy display. The foliage is fragrant when dried, a sweet vanilla hay scent that has made it a traditional strewing herb for centuries. It stays 4 to 6 inches tall, never becoming aggressive in a well-managed garden, and creates the kind of soft, naturalistic carpet under trees and shrubs that makes a garden feel deliberately composed. Plant it in moist, partial to full shade. It establishes quickly in spring conditions and spreads steadily through the season.
For the gardener who has been putting down shredded bark under trees every spring and watching it decompose by fall, sweet woodruff offers a permanent alternative that feeds pollinators, smells good, and turns a maintenance task into something you only do once. Those are 7 ground covers that replace mulching permanently, ecologically, and beautifully in 7 different garden conditions. Subscribe. New plant content every week. We'll see you in the next one.